Hello, this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, bringing you a recipe full of love, inspired by Valentine's Day. In the spirit of love, this week's recipe comes from Sweetie Pie by Richard Simmons, available for checkout at your local branch. This week, I will be showing you how to make Linzer cookies. For your ingredients, you will need 2 cups cake flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter at room temp, 2 tablespoons canola oil, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon grated lemon zest, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, non-stick vegetable oil cooking spray, a 1/4 cup sliced blanched almonds chopped, a 1/3 cup seedless raspberry jam, and confectioner sugar for dusting, which is optional. Step 1. First, we have to blanch our unsalted, untoasted, plain almonds. Simply dump your almonds in a pot of boiling water for about 60 seconds, then remove from heat. Rinse the boiled almonds under cold water. The shells should look wrinkled. Now you can simply squeeze the almond to slide the skin off. Step 2. In a medium bowl, stir together your flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Set aside. Step 3. In another medium bowl, beat together your butter until smooth. Then beat in the oil until it is well blended. Now beat in your granulated sugar and your lemon zest until light. Then beat in your vanilla and egg. I recommend using a hand whisk up until this point, until you reach the next part of this step. Set the electric mixer speed to low and beat in your flour mixture to make a soft dough. You could even consider turning your dough out onto a flat surface to finish mixing by hand. Divide your dough in half and shape each into a disc. Then wrap it in plastic and place in the freezer until it is firm, which is about 20 minutes. Step 4. Lightly coat a baking sheet with nonstick cooking spray or use a silicone mat. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5. Unwrap and roll half of the chilled dough between 2 sheets of wax paper to 1/8 inch thickness. It helps to turn the dough as you roll it. Using 2.5 inch decorative cookie cutters, cut out cookies. I actually use differing sizes of a biscuit cutting set. Gently remove and transfer cookies to the prepared baking sheet, 1 inch apart. Re-roll your scraps and cut out more cookies. Place whole cookie solids and cookie cutouts on separate baking sheets. Keep in mind that the cutouts and centers bake faster than the larger solid cookies. Now you're going to sprinkle some of all the cookie cutouts, not the solid ones, with the chopped blanched almonds that we worked on at the beginning. Step 6. Bake your cookies for up to 10 minutes until lightly brown. Cookie cutouts will bake faster than the others, so only 7 to 8 minutes for those. Step 7. Transfer your cookies and cutouts to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 8. Just before serving, spread your jam over the solid cookies and top each one with a cutout cookie to make a sort of sandwich. An optional topping is to dust your finished cookies lightly with confectioner sugar. Store your jamless cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for 2 or 3 days, or in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. They are best served at room temperature. All that's left is to serve and enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day!